Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your profile picture on Facebook mobile. So in order to do this, you will need to get the Facebook app and need to have an account created for it. So now, after opening it, let's click on the profile picture, then move to Edit Profile, click on the profile picture and then Add. You will need to allow access to photos and media on this device. Here, choose any picture that you want to use for your profile and then save it. Now, after a bit of waiting, we should see this picture right here. And now it's set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.